Welcome. In this learning, we are going to understand very important process, and that is deploying and publishing your web apps that you have been coding. So it is very interesting process, right? When we make our apps, it is sitting on our computer, right? It is for internal satisfaction. Nobody knows it. So if you want to share your work with somebody, then it is good idea to deploy it, get a URL, and then share that URL through social media or whatever, and you can prove that this is the work that you are doing. So for that, you have to publish your app, and the process is called deploying your app. Let us do that. So here we have this folder structure from last time. So I will collapse these ones, these apps I mean, and here I will click outside, and I have created this deploy.txt file for myself to go through these processes, go through this to go through the steps of this process. So first of all, we will install RS Connect. We will go here and pip install RS Connect dash Python. So this is the command. This is the command which is used to install the RS Connect Python. And this requirement is already satisfied. It means I have already installed it, but you have to do it for yourself. The next step is that you explore the options where you can deploy it, where you can publish it, your Python Shiny app. So there are many options. Heroku is one option, and shinyapps.io is another option. Today we are uploading it here, shinyapps.io. So you have to sign up here first of all, right? So you can create your account here through email, or you can sign up with Google, GitHub, or other options are also available here. So when I signed up with shinyapps.io, where I will be publishing my Python apps, so there is an account name that you will get, right? So this is the account name I got for myself. So you have to use that while uploading that. Okay, I am uploading this app, Shiny for Python app, but where I am uploading it, what is my account number? So this is what I got. And then you will log in there. You will select with Python here. Your account number is and account name is there. So here are the links where you will get the token, and they will give you a click button where you can show the secret. You have to copy it and run it in the command line prompt. Once you do that, you will be good to upload or deploy your Python web app. That token and key command that you will get there and copy. So this would look something like this one, and this is what you will run. So this token and the secret key that you would get would look something like that. You have to replace these parts for token, where it is XXX, and where there is YYY. Here you have to replace your secret part, which will be provided by the shinyapps.io, right? You will run this command, and here I am getting this message, but you will get the correct message that yes, your account has been verified. So here I have changed this directory, moved to this directory, cd through this command, cd coding 01 underscore qf, and then I have entered this command, rs connect deploy shiny dot, and this complete command I have typed, and I have pressed enter now on the keyboard, and it is now capturing the pip freeze, which means it is freezing the requirements .txt file, and then it is validating the server, and it is creating those bundles that it need to deploy, and deploying the bundles, doing everything that it needs to do. And this time I am uploading coding 01 underscore qf file. It is taking its time. Maybe it will take a couple of minutes. I can scroll it up. There is no error message that we are getting here. So it is all the internal processing of deployment. Now it says installing file, pushing images, and it is building and staging. Well, definitely it would take a couple of minutes to deploy. Deploying started, activating the new instances, and here you go. It says application successfully deployed, and this is that URL. I can copy that URL and I can go and open it, and here is that file that we just deployed at this. So this way you can deploy any other web app that you have made with Python, right? For example, I can deploy this one here, 15th PvP scenario. I just have to go to that directory, type the directory name to get into that directory, and here I am, and then we run this command. This command rsconnect deploy shiny dot. The same way it is now deploying the second app, validating server, making bundle, deploying bundle, and building this, parsing the manifest. So these are internal processes which need to be settled. It is building that app, it is pushing the image, so it is doing everything that it needs to do the same way it did last time for the previous app. It usually takes a couple of minutes, I know, to upload this app, deploy this app to your server, and then you will get the URL which you can share with people to show your work. So your app is no more sitting on your computer, right? You will get the URL, you can share, you can demonstrate your work, that this is your work sample. Now after building, it is now staging and pushing the image, and in a minute our URL will be ready. So deployment has started, and here we are. So we got this. This is that URL. You can copy it and open it. So previous app was very static app. It was simple blank template. And then I thought maybe I should give one more app, load it, I mean. So this is that app. This is complete fully functional app, and this is now deployed. It has everything in it. We will talk about this app in upcoming, the functionality of that. Here we are making comparative analysis of multiple projects based on the payback period. It is working very fine. Payback period for this project 1 is 1.20 years, and for project 2 is 2.70 years. Everything seems to be fine. So this is that URL which you can share for your app, that yes, I uploaded it. So it is your work sample now. Congratulations on making your Python web apps in corporate finance and quantitative finance, and then deploying it, publishing it, getting a URL for yourself. See you next time.